Hello, all. We are going to start our first lesson, that is food components. So, in this part, we are going to know about the importance of food and the test for starch. So, before going into the lesson, we have to know the importance of the food in our daily life. Generally, we perform many activities like reading, playing, and we do all sorts of work. So, to perform all these activities, we need energy. So, can you take a minute and guess where do we get this energy from? Yes, you are right. We get this energy by consuming the food. In food, we have nutrients which provides us energy. What are actually nutrients? Nutrients are the chemical compounds which are present in the food that are used by body to give us energy. For example, we have carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats. All these are considered as nutrients. By consuming these nutrients, we are going to get energy. So, now we are going to discuss about our first nutrient, that is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. Why these carbohydrates are important to our body? Carbohydrates are going to provide energy to our body, and these are also provide glucose to our body. Then what type of food we have to eat to get carbohydrates? So here are the examples. We can eat wheat, rice, chapatis, bread, potato. These are few examples where carbohydrates are present. So we can see here it's rice, wheat and bread, and also potatoes. Potatoes have the highest carbohydrate content. Now, if you want to know whether our food sample contains carbohydrates or not, so to know the presence of carbohydrates in our food sample, we have a small test. To perform the presence of starch test, we need iodine solution. If any food item contains starch, on adding this iodine solution, the food sample color changes to blue black in color. For example, here we can take any food item. Here, for example, I took potato, peel the potato, and add iodine solution to it. The food item turns into dark blue black in color. Here, originally, the iodine solution will be in orange brownish in color. You can see here in the picture format. I took a potato, a raw potato, and I peeled the potato. After peeling potato, I have added iodine solution. We can add the iodine solution on the potato. Originally, the iodine solution will be in orange or brown color. If your food sample contains starch, then the color is going to change into blue black in color. Here you can see. Here you can see. If your food sample does not contain any carbohydrates, then the color is not going to change. It remains as it is in this way. So, if you want to know whether your food sample contains carbohydrates or not, we have to use iodine solution. And if that iodine solution, on adding that iodine solution to the food sample, the color has to change into dark blue black in color. If the color changes into blue black in color, then we can say our food sample contains carbohydrates. If it does not change into any color, then our food sample does not contain carbohydrates. So, this is all about our first part. We are going to continue our second part